Okay, so let's look at linking words. Words that can link sentences together. Very good, like a chain almost. Like a chain. Linking words together, right there. Okay, so we can combine clauses with linking words. Very nice. Okay, she went to the car and... ... something. She, object, verb, went, she, verb, subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object, and something else. Some subject, verb, object, object, subject, anything beyond. He has an idea, but. So subject, verb, object. But. So it can't work. But. It's too soon. But. It's too late. I, so subject, will go, there's the verb, go to the restaurant. Object, then. Go to the restaurant and then something else. And then eat. And then eat. Verb. And then drive and drive. Verb. Has an idea, but it's bad. It is bad. And that could be complement, adverb, adjective. Adjective, but it's bad. Ugh. So we can use different kinds of words that are linking words to combine sentences. So, since, just as, yet, despite. So we have and. I went to the shop and this happened. But, like a causing an interruption, but. Then, so something happened, and then, because of that, this happened, like a domino effect. I said this, then he said that. And so, it's like as a result of, I went to the shop, so what? So I could say, so we bought, well, I will go to the restaurant so I can see him, so I will meet him. And since, like here's a date, here's time, and here's now. And since is looking back over all this time to a certain point. I have been coming to this restaurant since 2010, for example. Since 2010. Just as, like things are equal. I like going to this restaurant just as I like going to that restaurant. That one and this one. Both of them are really nice. Yet, kind of like an inflection, like yet, like a but a little more of a thought-provoking one. I will go to the restaurant, yet I think that one is cheaper. Yet that one is closer. I'll go to the restaurant, yet I don't really need to, but I will still go. And despite. So even though something bad is happening, we'll do something regardless. I will go to the restaurant despite I don't like it. I'll go to the restaurant despite it is far away, despite it is expensive, despite it is cheap, despite I don't like the management. Ugh. Despite something, ugh, but you're going to ignore it. Yeah. So linking words link sentences together. How cool is that? Let's keep going.